Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play X-Plane 11 updated. Launch X-Plane 11, choose an aircraft, set airport and weather, then click Fly to start simulation. Adjust controls in settings to match your joystick or keyboard. Use the checklist to complete pre-flight tasks and confirm flaps, fuel, and radios. Practice taxiing, takeoff, navigation, and landing in calm conditions before adding storms or complex procedures. Repeat practice sessions to build confidence and muscle memory. Configure controls before you fly to avoid surprises in the cockpit. Calibrate your joystick and adjust axis curves for smooth roll and pitch behavior. Map essential functions like trim, flaps, landing gear, and view controls to easy buttons. Lower sensitivities for initial practice flights, then fine-tune as you improve. Save a control profile so you can switch aircraft or reinstall without losing your preferred setup. Test changes in a short hop flight. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful tutorials. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring cockpit ambience and clear communications to your desk, making flights more immersive. I find ambient engine hum and ATC chimes really enhance practice sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Plan your route before engine start to reduce cockpit workload. Use the built-in flight planner or external charts to create a straightforward route with clear waypoints. Cross-check GPS, VOR, and heading indicators to confirm navigation fixes. Fly at a comfortable altitude and monitor fuel and time to destination. Practice instrument approaches and holds in clear weather to learn sequencing. Gradually add weather and traffic for realistic challenge and skill building.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.